Working from home, in internet marketing, to make money. To some, the thought of competing with the world is just not possible. This is true, but in business, whether it on the high street or online, you are competent with yourself. The start of any project, dream, vision, is the first step, taken by you. Yes, every journey starts with a first, followed by the next, to completion and satisfaction. However, over the years I've learned to delegate the tasks that I am not great at and hire companies to do them instead in a more efficient fashion. Among those tasks, the prediction of an explosion of online shopping became a marriage between information technology experts and marketing professionals. Most would believe the information technology researchers were studying the internet technology and its advantages, while the marketers were focused on the consumer's use of the technology. As technology advanced, more marketing activities emerged to market goods and services via the internet. Today, internet marketing is defined as the use of the internet as a virtual storefront where products are sold directly to the customer. You can be part of this explosion. Faith, trust, dedication, and you are on your way. Depending on your niche of focus, blogs will open you up to a world of opportunities that are just a click away. However, the number of internet marketing blogs, social media, content marketing, email marketing and SEO blogging posts has grown so much, it can be overwhelming. So you have to follow someone who has completed the setup and is working well. Custom website designs are the mandatory first part of the sales process. A great well-thought-out design will attract attention needed to start the sales process. Unfortunately, after the custom website design, too many business owners make the mistake of immediately focusing on the last part of the sales process, action. Working with our internet marketing consultants and custom website design team, we can seamlessly integrate your entire sales process, thus turning your website into a 24/7 sales machine. Let us advise you on your way to success. Yes, you can build the whole system yourself, or have it done for you. No, leave the complications to the experts, you just start with the ideas. Let us not get too complicated or tied down with problems which others can solve. Follow the link below and get more information. Not enough or wrong info? Well, ask and we will supply. The real answer is to get started. Mistakes, wrong turns, all are expected and repairable. Bill Morrow, http://www.yourdreamstosuccess.com. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.